Yes, student, in class 5th, today we will start the new chapter and this is the chapter number 17. In chapter number 16, students, we have discussed about the freedom struggles and the Gandhian phase. We noticed that our freedom fighters, they had sacrificed their lives for our country, for the future of our country. And student, lastly, we got the freedom. Okay. Now students, we will discuss about the leaders, freedom fighters who fought for us, and that's why today we are the living life of a democracy. Okay. We are the proud of them. Chapter number 17, we are the proud of them. Yes, student, in this chapter, we will discuss about Rani Lakshmibai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu. Okay, about them today we will discuss one by one. Okay, student, in several Indian leaders left their mark through the age and help us to attain our freedom from the British. We will discuss a few of these great leaders in this chapter. The first one is here, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. Actually, she was the king of Jhansi. That's why she is also known as Queen of the Jhansi. That's why she is also known as Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. Student, in page number 103, figure has been also given here. You can see that. One of our earliest leaders was Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. She was an important leader of the revolt of 1857. She, along with Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib and others, challenged the British for the first time in 1857. Student, in 1857, we know that was the first freedom fight for us. In 1857, we proved that also. Yes, student, we defeated by the British, but we proved that now we are union. We can get our freedom. You don't have, means Britishers, they don't have right to live in the India. Okay. So student, in 1857, there are so many leaders were participated. Rani Lakshmibai also there, Tantia Taipo, Nana Sahib, they are also there. And really, they challenged to British. They challenged the British for first time in 1857. Rani Lakshmibai was born around 1835. She was born around 1835 and was named Manika. In childhood name, her name was Manikarnika student. She married Gangadhar Rao, the ruler of Jhansi. After the death of his first wife, they had a son who died within 3 months of his birth. So Gangadhar Rao adopted a relative son called Damodar Rao to succeed him. Listen. But Gangadhar died soon after the Damodar was too young to be a king. Listen, student. Rani Lakshmibai, she married to Gangadhar Rao. Okay, Gangadhar Rao. And student, after that, what happened? When he adopted Damodar Rao in the form of his son, he died. That time, student, Damodar Rao was very too young to be a king. Means he was not able to become the king. That is when Lakshmibai took over the reins of the Jhansi till Damodar Rao old enough to do. Listen. But student, that time the Britishers, they applied a rule that student, that is known as doctrine of lapse. Means according to this policy, the Indian ruler died, and if we adopted son would not be allowed to inherit the throne. Means if they have adopted son, they were not able to be a king. They were not be a king. Okay. So student, only a natural male heir could become the ruler. In case there was no natural heirs, the state would lapse or pass into the hands of British. Okay. Student, it means that if a son who has not own son and if he has adopted son, means that adopted son was not able to become the king according to rules of Britishers. Means they implemented a doctrine of lapse. So the British told the Rani that Damodar would not be the king even he grew up and asked her to leave the fort. But student, in meanwhile, the revolt of 1857 broke out and Rani decided to fight for the Jhansi. Yes, student, so many kings, they fought different. So Rani Lakshmi Bai, she also think that I will fight for the Jhansi. She included women in the army and trained them well. She was a brave soldier and a good leader also, student. The Rani joined Tandia Dope and Nana Sahib in the fight against the British. When the British attacked Jhansi, she was seriously injured and died soon after in 1858. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, student, listen. He was also known as Lokmanya Tilak. He was born in 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. He completed his studies from the Deccan College, Pune in 1877. He started as a teacher and went to become a journalist. Journalist means student media. He started to work in the media, in the form of media. He criticized the Western education system because he felt that it disrespects Indians' heritage. Yes, student, really, because that was the British education, and according to that education student, he disrespected our heritage. He took it upon himself to improve the quality of education for the Indians youth and started the Deccan Education Society. Yes, student, this way Bal Gangadhar Tilak also started to they wanted to start in our education policy that respect our Indians' heritage, that respect our Indian culture. Okay, student, this way the first classes we have covered. This is the part 1 of this chapter. Remaining contents, student, I will give you in the next video. Up to here, student, try to read. Okay, thank you, student. Have a nice day.